Hello fellow crafters! Today we're gonna build a cool spiral stairway. Stay a while and listen. Today I want to show you how I make this piece. Very nice, perfect for be put in some dungeon room. Is a very aesthetic and beautiful piece. Okay, junky piece of foam, and let's understand how we can cut this. 3 by 3 inches in Italy is around 7.5 centimeters. So I will use my proximate table for cut this piece of foam. I recommend you to buy this. This is a foot control that switch actually the power off and on of the proxen, so you can control the power with your foot. Now let me check. Yeah, this is good. It's a little bit taller, but we'll use this one as a pedestal, as a base for this. Okay. Now, what is good about this kind of foam that I'm using is that one side, external side, has a beautiful texture. So this texture is nice because creates, I don't know if you can see it, creates beautiful patterns on the floor. So first of all, let's cut the base. I usually do a 3mm thick base. For this project I'm using this. Basically is a copy of Shifty Lang's circle maker, you know. I just take a big piece of cardboard, very rigid. I put here a balsa wood guide that enter perfectly in the proxen hole here, and then I use this nail. It's a wall nail, normally wall nail, that I fix here with some hot glue. Then this grid is just 1 inch grid, and those are centimeters that actually I show you like that. Okay, I'm using this for create circles in the foam. It's important that you mark the center of this piece, okay? That's the trick. I use this for center the piece. So I check and I center the piece. All right. We have 3 circle pieces and actually 3 sort of pillar pieces, okay? And just cut this in half. This is 2 centimeter thick foam, so we will do 1 centimeter steps like that. First of all, I trace the okay, see, nice pattern. Now I want to add some cracks like that. Cracks. I like that the lines of the stones continues also on here, so like that. You see? Nice. Our first piece that we cut, I just split it in equal parts. This is like, you know, it's like ananas, piece of ananas. I like it. It's something fresh in my mind, you know. Like it. It's the dimension of one step. Okay, we have the base step that will be this one. Okay, first one. Then this piece will have, let me align this. So this is 1, 2. So yeah, let's build it. Now let's continue the brickwork on the steps. On the final piece I add some detail, for example this chain on the column and this shield that I have from Warhammer Fantasy. I highly suggest you to keep storage of your little beans pieces, something that actually you can use and use for add little details to your pieces. Every single piece become unique like that. Okay, so let's check what we have now. Those, for example, are skulls from Green Stuff Worlds. These are human skulls. You see them? Human skulls. I have orc skulls. Also these from Green Stuff World that actually are floor made of bones, made by bones, you know. Also I have these from Citadel. They are Citadel skulls from Game Workshop. Those are great. I think Black Magic Craft recently did a video about this product that is actually it's great. Okay, so I recommend this from Citadel a lot. But let's check inside here. So what we can use for embellish this piece. I have you see I have a lot of part of miniature. Those are, for example, this is an axe alabarda. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Definitely I will use a normal white shield and an axe. Of course you need to do some modification here. I will use a drop of super glue. Okay, just improvising here, huh? Now it's time for painting. Then I have this. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually a piece for closing bracelet. It's a little metal jewelry piece. This is great because actually gives me already a perfect standing, a perfect torch, you see? See? It's perfect. Now I have this cushioning cotton. I put another drop of super glue on the top. Now I use some Mod Podge on my finger, like that. Add a little bit of black, like that, you see? Yeah, that's it.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!